Hey, today I will tell you about the best top background check service. After testing a huge number of sites in this category, I found the best option that worked perfectly for me. It offers reliable biographical verification services with accurate inferences and has been using it for over 5 years. In this short video, I will tell you 3 very useful secrets that few people know about, and which make it truly the best in the top background checks category. This is about Intellis, and I will leave the link to the official site under this video. Let's not waste time and get started.
Intellis has a long history of providing reliable background verification services with accurate inferences, but recent users now say there are inaccuracies or missing information in the reports. Intellis is a Seattle-based public archive company that provides information services, allowing you to find people by name, address, phone number, and more. It is part of the larger People Connect Incorporated, which also owns Classmates.com. Intellis does not provide consumer reports, so they don't provide consumer reports. Like other background verification companies, Intellis should only be used for personal research, such as looking up contact information for friends and family, or for blind date research. It cannot be used to screen for anything that is required to comply with the Fair Credit Reporting Act, so you cannot use it to research tenants, potential employees, and others.
Intellis is quite easy to use as there are several search options clearly indicated on their website.
Select your preferred search type such as email reverse lookups or background browsing. Enter the required information such as name, phone number, or current address. Click on the search button. This page will also ask questions such as the age of the person you are looking for. Once the data has been collected, you will be redirected to the next page, which will display the corresponding results. Pick the person who most closely resembles the person you are looking for. Intellis will generate a comprehensive report, including social media profiles. This may take longer. Unlock secure access to the report by clicking on the Intellis agreement. It includes the following conditions. I will not use this service or information to make consumer loan decisions, tenant verification, or any other purpose that requires FCRA compliance. After collecting the data, Intellis will ask for your credit card information. This page also features subscription plans that you can include with your purchase. After successful payment, your account will be activated. After that, you can see the full report.
You can get an Intellis Premier membership for as little as $19.95 a month, giving you access to unlimited general searches. Depending on what service you're looking for, Intellis plans are pretty inexpensive, but there is a pretty big catch.
Intellis Premier is a starter pack that allows users to conduct unlimited people searches. They tell you name, age, nickname, address history, phone number, and email addresses. Intellis Premier reviews show that users can do unlimited searches per day, excluding background checks. This plan costs $9.95 for the first month and $19.95 for each subsequent month. Intellis Premier Plus is slightly more expensive with a $29.95 monthly subscription. Besides offering unlimited searches, it also allows the user to do one background search per month, which costs $39.95. This monthly voucher expires every month. If you would like to frequently search for people and sometimes check biographical information, you can use this subscription. A single report offers users the ability to perform a single search, such as a reverse lookup by Intellis telephone. Add-ons such as phone and address verification are available for an additional $7.95 fee, while nationwide criminal and federal checks are available for an additional $19.95. A basic customer report costs $39.95. Reviews of Intellis People Search are very positive, and most users rate the service's accuracy and quick results.
Not all background check services offer educational history, but Intellis does. Records include any high schools, colleges, or universities that the person attended according to public records.
Whether the information you receive will be correct is not yet clear. Intellis gives mixed reviews about the accuracy of its information. Some users say that the information Intellis provides is more accurate and up-to-date than other biographical information verification services. More recent reviews say the reports are missing or inaccurate information. Intellis offers simple people search for free. You will receive fairly limited information based on the person's name, including age, location history, relatives, the first 6 digits of any phone number, and work and education history. It's not very detailed and serves mainly as a preview of what you can access when paying.
Intellis offers more than just background checks. If you don't want to invest in a detailed report, you have options. You can perform a reverse phone search to find out who is behind the number that spam you, or you can perform a quick criminal record search.
Intellis People Search function provides important information about who you are looking for. You can search by name, phone number, or address. You will have access to age, date of birth, former and current addresses, phone numbers, possible relatives, any social networks, email addresses, as well as information about employment and education. Intellis Public Records Report will provide you with everything from their People Search report, as well as all the marriage and divorce records available. The Intellis Reverse Phone Lookup feature will provide you with the owner's name, age, address, possible relatives, and carrier. When you look up an address backwards, Intellis provides information about the owner of the specified address, the value of the house, contact information, information about any current and previous residents, sex offenders in the area, and more.
Intellis can provide criminal records within a specific state or country. Its search will reveal all felonies, check for misconduct and serious crimes, and give you other details such as trial dates and case numbers.
A complete background check report with Intellis will give you a little bit of everything. You will receive the results of the public report, as well as information about the state criminal investigation and information about any bail, bankruptcy, court decisions, or lawsuits. With an Intellis Premier subscription, you can perform any number of searches per month, whether it's a reverse address lookup or public record report. You will be able to access information such as the person's full name, known aliases, current and past addresses, and social networks. An Intellis Premier Plus subscription gives you everything from a Premier plan and one background check per month. Just make sure you use it. After a month, it will expire.
Intellis offers decent background verification services and many one-off reports such as people lookups and reverse address lookups.
Using this platform to screen employees and tenants is illegal under FCRA law. However, it's a great tool for finding new friends on social media, dating online, neighbors, and even finding long-lost loved ones. Intellis feedback clearly shows that customers value the wide variety of plans and search options available. The company ensures that customers receive the most accurate reports based on the information provided. Intellis is useful for anyone looking to check the status of a potential date, reconnect with lost friends, find related convictions, view new properties, and more.
Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos.